This handheld marine radio feels compact and light in the hand, and the included wrist lanyard makes it practical to carry around a kayak, small sailboat, or dock without worrying about drops. Its rugged construction with high-level water protection and a floating body inspires confidence, since it will bob back to the surface and keep working it goes overboard in choppy conditions. The unit supports vibration drainage and resists salt and corrosion, which is reassuring for regular use in harsh marine environments where gear is constantly being splashed. 88 selectable channels across United States, Canada, and international bands, including dedicated emergency options, give plenty of flexibility for communicating and calling for help when needed. Built-in weather reception and alerts mean you can monitor changing conditions and storms directly from the radio instead of relying on a separate device. The radio uses rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries and comes with both alternating current and direct current charging options, making it easy to keep powered on board or in a vehicle.